Hey, what's up YouTube? Thanks for tuning back in. I'm also sick, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe, because in today's how-to video, I'm gonna be showing you how to take off your Honda Talon stock seats. For whatever reason you wanna take them off, whether you went through mud and you wanna really detail it, or you just wanna upgrade into some racing seats, I'm gonna show you how, step by step, how to take off the stock seat. So let's get started. All right, so I got some help to help me take out the seats, and it's actually pretty sick because you can actually take off the bottom cushion. So there's a little lever and then you'll push that up, and it's kind of like the slider, but it's not. So you'll push it up and then you can just pop off the bottom seat. So like this, and no tools are needed for this. All right, so you get a better look at it. This is what it looks like. So you just pull this up and then it pops off right there, and you can see that that's where it slides in. So then now that you have the bottom cushion out, you actually have full access to the seat rail and the brackets. So I'm going to be taking off that bolt, same thing on that side right there, and then on the back it's the orange bolt right there. And then, let's see if I can sneak through. It's back there. So we'll just start with the back one, and I got help with me, so start taking that off. And then that way, this is how you remove the entire seat at the same time. Now, depending on why you need to take off the seat will determine what parts you take off, but in this case, I'm just gonna show you how to take out the seat completely. There's 2. 3 and 4. And with that, you should be able to take out the entire seat. There you go. So we'll take that out. All right, so the passenger seat, it's actually a little different, but you'll still take off the cushion. Thankfully, I have some help with me still. So take that off, and then on the passenger side, you can see I already took off one of the little clips. It has a plastic cover right there, and then the plastic cover right there. And for the left side, we'll take that off since I already took off the clip. And then once you take that off, it exposes the bolt to take out the entire seat completely. Now we're gonna have to do the same thing on the other side. All right, so a little flathead, take out that clip. There you go, you can see the bolt. You grab your 12 mil, and then you just start taking that one apart. You can take the second one off in the front. There's 2 in the front and then 2 in the rear, so similar to the driver's side. The rear one, it's right back there. Can't really see it from this angle. So usually we just break them loose first, and then we'll probably just use a gun to make it faster. Last one's right here, and just break that loose. There you go. Now I'll just use a gun and take them all out. All right, so now that those 4 are off, seat comes out. There you go. Both seats are out of the Talon. All right, so it was getting kind of late, and I needed to break up the filming within 2 different days, but that's it. If you ever wanted to take out your stock Talon seats for whatever reason, you know, if you're trying to clean it or you wanted to upgrade, it's as easy as that. So if you're wondering why I haven't put back the stock seats, because I actually did upgrade to the Sparco QRTRs. So be sure to subscribe, because I have a bunch of other videos that show my journey with the Talon and upgrading it and taking it out, exploring, racing, doing all kinds of fun stuff. So hope you enjoyed this little how-to on how to take out your Talon seats. And just remember, life's so sick, live it.